Hi everyone, I've decided to share some cards I made using the Simon Says Stamp 2018 Special Edition Spring Kit. So here's my first card I made. And on the inside, and I included a little scratch off, and when you scratch it off there is an Easter egg, I believe. My second card used some of the stickers from the kit. I did bring in some of my own paper, and I put these little pom-poms on for tails. I used the stencil for this card, and I think it turned out really cute. The next three cards, I used these black and white stickers, and I couldn't find any paper that I thought looked good with them, so I looked through my stash. I found an old Stampin' Up! Set that looked very similar to the stickers, and then I used the stamps in the kit to accent and make my own background paper. So there's the chickie. Here's the bunny. And here are the flowers, and I went ahead and colored the sticker. This one I used an embossing plate from Stampin' Up! To make the wood grain pattern, and then went ahead and used the wreath and cut apart the Happy Easter sticker. This one I just repeated the flower stamp across the front, added my own little doodles. I think that one turned out pretty cute. Here's another card with those black and white stickers, and I went ahead and colored them. And again, I found another stamp that I had in my stash from Stampin' Up!, which is this branch, and I went ahead and cut it out so the bird in the nest had someplace to sit. Here's that Stampin' Up! Embossing plate again, and I did bring in some light green patterned paper, textured paper I mean, for that frame. This card, the next two cards I kind of modeled after Nina Marie on Simon Says Stamp's video about this kit. I bought it because I really wanted to try this foil, and I also wanted to try the alcohol inks. In playing with the foil, I discovered that the glue was kind of difficult to use, and I'm glad that I didn't spend a lot of money buying foil sheets because I'm not really that keen on it. And here's the other one. And this one I accidentally stamped the Wishing You the Very Best. So on the inside, I went ahead and stamped the little lamb so that when you scratch it off, the front saying makes sense. Here's another card I made just using the stickers. And for this one, I textured the background paper with a Lawn Fawn wood grain die. And the last one I made, I used just one piece of the stencil. I colored in this black and white Easter basket from the sticker set, and I had some Easter egg paper in my collection that I went ahead and pulled out and used because I've had it forever. And then I just cut a little piece of vellum to put over the top because I thought that pink that I used the distressing that I used was a little too bright for the paper. So there are the first cards that I've ever decided to share on YouTube. Thanks so much for watching.